time to fix it, man. Alright, so what is up, everybody? I'm back here with another vlog, which is a DIY with Daniel Boys. And as you saw from the intro, I pretty screwed up my iPad.
But here are the materials. If this ever happens to you and your iPad breaks, you could use this.
It's
you need a cap.
A cap from like a soda.
You need some sticky notes, and you need some tape, and you need this phone too.
Oh, I don't think we're using that.
And you need to have SpongeBob with you too.
Dude, he keeps us company, so yeah. Let's get started, shall we?
Yeah. So the first step to this of fixing your iPad case, basically you need to grab this piece of tape. You need to cut the...
Alright, action! Wait. Action!
So for the first step, what you need is some tape. It needs to be clear. And you need this circular thing that broke off on accidentally. And you need to rip off. You need about half. Oh, ready?
Alright, we're back. I'm sorry.
Is it ready?
Yeah, it's ready.
The first step, you need some clear tape. You need to use about half of a foot and 1/3 of that. Actually, this looks like you need about like
2 inches. No, 3.
4 inches of clear tape. You want to rip it off. And you need this circular thing that broke off. It usually goes like right here in this hole. And then you put the tape kind of like this. You guys might not be able to see it.
Horizontally.
So you gotta make it into a circle. And then you put it like this. So basically this is what it should look like.
Yeah,
and then,
that's perfect.
And then you need this. Oh yeah, this is the cap that we used from before. You put it on to make it perfect. Like this. This is what it should look like.
Yeah.
And then...
Wait, what about the circular thing?
This comes next. This is really hard. So basically what you gotta do, you gotta put... Actually, psych, it doesn't go there. It actually goes in here. And you gotta put it on. Kind of like this. And then you grab some more tape. And to make sure it stays on, you go like this. And then boom. And then boom. And then to the floor.
Okay, yeah.
And then that's the third step. Then you gotta grab these sticky notes. They gotta be pink. So you gotta cover the front screen so it doesn't get in any bruises or hurt. So you need to put one sticky note like by the camera so it covers the camera. And and then you put some more tape on this. So it's like bada bing, bada boom. And then you gotta, you see? Now just a little bit. And now this is where this glue comes in. And this glue is of course Elmer's washable school glue stick. It is very easy to get off, that's why we're using it. And you gotta...
What are you doing? Not the...
And so basically, this is...
Are you okay? It's a book.
Oh, that smells nasty.
Let me take a whiff.
Here.
Uh-oh. Why does it say... Trick shot.
Guys, so on to the next step. Hey guys, so it's the more. Yeah, guys. So we waited overnight, and please leave a like on this video if you want to see more. And today it's morning, and we let it stick in a little bit, so it's a little bit more sticky. So now basically, remember this plastic cup thing? So you gotta rip it off.
Yeah, just ripped up the whole thing.
No, that's the whole. Then you kind of have to rip it off. And so what the point of this was, to see if this would fit again. And you see, this tape should still be on anyway. So now it should just fit like a puzzle. And you put it in.
Similes though.
Oh yes. Oh. Guys, we have a...
Cut the seed. Cut the seed. That's it. That's it. I think that's too long. Daniel.
It's perfect. So basically, we're gonna leave it like this and make sure it sticks overnight.
Alright, so we'll come back in the morning,
no,
boys.
You gotta put some glue.
Oh, I don't think it goes up.
Cut. I mean, not cut. So you gotta put the sticky notes so you know where the tape. Oh my god, it's the wrong side. Boom. There's some tape right here. Some tape right here. And
it's sticky notes, not tape.
No.
Oh.
You put in the sticky notes where the tape is. And you put the tape. And this process, you might not be able to use your iPad for a couple of days, but it's okay because you'll get the case fixed in no time.
What's that for, Daniel?
You want to cover everything, everywhere where water, where air could get into the iPad, because we're going to be putting some poisonous glue on it.
Wait, you just put glue on the...
But now we're going to be putting it on the sides.
Wait, I don't think Eric can get into there now.
And this is at Awesomeness Vlogs. I saw your awesome sticky note prank on your mom. Yeah, it was great. This is for you. We're going to be pranking Tony's mom today.
What? That's not planned, everybody. That's not planned.
What? Tony didn't pay me to say that.
What?
I mean...
Wait,
Cut.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah, so now it's the next day. And you gotta put all these sticky notes off. And Tony, we have a problem.
What did he do?
It's coming off.
Dude, I thought the sticky notes helped.
Oh, no, they're... And yeah, so now it should work like a charm.
A charm doesn't work. A charm gives you bad luck. Well, we're not using that anymore.
And you gotta circulate. Circulate it. Oh, psych, you gotta put it through.
I think there's some tape on you, Daniel.
It's fine. We'll get it off.
And that's it, boys. We have a charming...
Oh.
Wait, don't touch it, Daniel. Don't touch the iPad cover. Just pretend it works. Wait, shoot, I didn't cut it. It's okay.
Oh, here, guys, as you see, it's stuck now. It works. It doesn't come off no matter how hard I try. Like... Hey guys, we're back, and as you see, we got Tony. He has the fixed case. It pretty much never falls off, even if you hit it really hard. And we'll see. So this is our next video. For our next video, we're gonna be listening to the song.
What is wrong
Oh, good. Tree.
Time to be continued.